Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Topstep X on TradingView. Topstep X comes with TradingView charts built right in, offering a seamless experience. You can access all the powerful charting tools you love directly within the Topstep X platform. This integration means you get the best of both worlds. Topstep's evaluation environment combined with TradingView's industry-leading analysis features, making your trading journey straightforward and efficient. Navigating your charts in Topstep X is intuitive. You can open up to 8 different charts on each screen, allowing for comprehensive market overview. Charts can be linked, so updating a symbol in one component reflects across all linked charts. Plus, customizing your chart settings, colors, and timeframes is simple, just like you would in a standalone TradingView application. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. Your support truly helps the channel grow. On another note, why not bring your trading space to life with an Echo Dot smart speaker? Imagine getting market updates or setting trading alarms with just your voice. It's a fantastic addition to any setup. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Executing trades is also very easy within Topstep X. You can place market or limit orders directly from the embedded TradingView chart with a simple right-click. This allows for quick entry and exit points. You can also efficiently manage your open positions and modify orders as needed. The platform clearly displays your daily profit and loss, along with your maximum loss limit, helping you stay compliant with Topstep's rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.